Salamat.
No, sir. No, I don't want to be the blame anymore. It's your turn. You take a seat, you settle in the final score. And why do we like to hurt so much? I can't decide. You made it harder just to go on. And why all the possibilities? Well, I was wrong. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, and that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, I climbed down on my chance to win. The sound of its beating, and that's what you get when you let your heart win. So much, oh, why do we like to hurt so much? That's what you get when you let your heart win. Oh, that's what you get when you let your heart win. Oh, and that's what you get when you. Now I can't trust myself when the sound of its beating, and that's what you get when you let your heart win. Cotabato, let's go. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Oh, because, yeah. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. How was I supposed to know that something wasn't right here? Oh, baby, baby. I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight. Yeah. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me. And I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Yeah. I think I did it again. I made you believe we're more than just friends. Oh, baby, it might seem like a crush. It doesn't mean that I'm serious. 'Cause to lose all my senses, that is play with your heart. Got lost in the game. Ooh, baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love. Let 'em sing from above. I'm not that innocent, yeah. See, my problem is this: I'm dreaming away, wishing that heroes they truly exist. I cry watching the days. See, I'm a fool in so many ways. 'Cause to lose all my senses, that is just so typically. Oh, baby, baby, oops, I did it again. I play with your heart, got lost in the game. Ooh, baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love. Let 'em sing from above. I'm not that innocent. Oops, I did it again to your heart. Got lost in this game, oh baby. Oops, you think that I'm sent from above. I'm not there, I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now. Don't you know I still believe that you will be here and give me a sign? Hit me, baby, one more time. Oops, I did it again. I play with your heart, I'm lost in the game. Oh, baby, baby, oops, you think I'm in love. And sent from above. I'm not that innocent. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Magandang gabi po!
Yay! Yeah!
Ayan po, pakilala lang po kami. Happy Tinalak Festival po sa inyong lahat. Kami po ang GG Vibes. Isa-isa ko pong papakilala ang aking mga kabanda. Unahin ko po muna ang aming drummer. Si Don Romeo po. Yan, siya po yung
Nakatayo
drummer.
na ba?
Ngayon naman po si Opa Jake, ang aming bahista.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Ngayon naman po si Oyos, ang
Magandang
aming
gabi
lead
po.
guitarist. And si Sir John naman po, ang aming musical director.
Magandang gabi po.
Ako naman po si Gigi, ang kanilang vocalista. Kami po ang GG Vibes. Alam nyo, mahirap ma-in love, no?
Masarap.
Mahirap din. Mahirap ma-in love, masarap ma-in love. And tandaan nyo, hindi nyo masasabi kung siya na ba talaga o hindi. Masakit maiwan. Magtatanong ka sa sarili mo, ano ba nagawa kong mali? Pero kahit iniwan ka na, mahal mo pa rin. Pero this time, gusto ko lang kayong alayan ng mga magagandang kanta na may in love ka, masasaktan ka. Pero, lagi niyong tatandaan na dapat mas mahalaga yung sarili niyo. Mas mahalin niyo yung sarili niyo, higit sa lahat. So, guys, okay lang ba sabayan niyo kung alam niyo yung kanta?
Kung hindi okay lang, pwede kayo makinig lang sa akin habang nakikinig. So, kakantahan ko lang kayo dito. Para sa inyo to.
I look into your eyes, so far away. There's trouble on your mind. You're losing faith. Hey now, let me hold you. It will be okay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Remember when you called and said goodbye? You thought we lost it all, and so did I. Even if I lost you, I would feel the same. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Now we're stronger than before. We've made it through, and I've never felt more sure because of you. Hey now, are you listening? Can you hear me say, 'cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away.
So for our next song, alam niyo po ba, meron po kaming bagong nirelease na single po namin. So nasa Spotify na po siya. Sino po ba may Spotify dito?
Taas ang kamay!
Ayan, or kahit yung ano lang, browse lang. Yung ano po na, bago po naming single, nasa Spotify na po siya. Ang title po nito ay Misteryoso. And it was composed by our drummer, our guitarist, Oyus and Romeo. So, ready na po ba kayo mapakinggan ang aming bagong nirelease na kanta? Ready na ba kayo? Okay. Misteryoso, nang makita kay ninervyos ako. Tingin mo palang TL ako. Lakas ng dating at arrive mo. Bilis ng tibok ng pusong ito. Nang makita ka, sana naman mapansin mo ang pag-ibig ko ito. Sana'y bigyang pansin ang lihim na pagtingin sa'yo. Misteryoso, panakaw na ang tingin ko sa iyo. Parang namamagnet ang pusong ito. Dahil ako kay Maginoo, di makatagal sa kapogian mo. Nakikita ka, sana naman mapansin mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Sana'y bigyang pansin ang lihim na pagtingin sa'yo. Misteryoso, 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 mister. Let's go, Oyus. Sana naman ay malaman ko lang ang iyong pangalan, Facebook at Instagram. Sana naman ay mapagbigyan. Pakiusap ko, sana naman mapansin mo ang pag-ibig ko ito. Sana'y bigyang pansin ang lihim na pagtingin sa'yo. Misteryoso, 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 So yun po, yung misteryoso. Kung gusto nyo pa pakinggan, nasa Spotify na po yan. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Happy Tinalak Festival po sa inyong lahat! Ano?
Shut na! Happy Tinalak Festival, everyone! Yes, yes, yes.
Puro kayo nakatingin dyan eh. Anyway, Governor Reynaldo S. Tamayo, maraming salamat po.
Yes,
Our
maraming
Governor
salamat.
Province of South
Cotabato.
Cotabato, maraming salamat po. And of course, Sangguniang Panglalawigan members headed by Vice Governor Arthur
Arthur.
Y. Pingoy Jr. And of course, Mr. Rudy Jimenea, Tinalak Festival Director. And of course, maraming salamat po kay Miss Freda Liza Pigazo, Chairperson, Rakrakan sa Tinalak Food Garden and Fireworks
Wow.
Display. And of course, Dr. Irvin Lunato, Honorary Chairperson, and the table and the people of South Cotabato. Thank you so much.
Salamat po!
Maraming salamat po. Sorry po binanggit ko yung table. Gutom na po ako eh. Gusto ko na mag-dinner. Anyway, gusto ko po sanang duet tayo. Okay lang?
Game!
Share ko lang din, this is one of my mom's favorite songs. So, I would like to sing this for you, for everyone. Siyempre, gusto ko na may kaduet. And ang kaduet ko po ngayon ay si Oyus ng Gigi Vibes. Are you ready? Eto ka na naman, kumakatok sa aking bituan, muling naghahanap ng makakausap. At eto naman ako, nakikinig sa mga kwento mo, paulit-ulit lang. At titiis ka'y nasasaktan. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pa humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo.
Ito pa rin ako, umaasa ang puso mo. Baka sakaling bang ito'y magbago. Narito lang ako, kasama mo buong buhay mo. Ang kulang na lang, mahalin mo rin akong lubusan. Kung ako na lang sanang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sanang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso narito ang puso ko.
Narito ang puso ko. Narito ang puso ko. Kung ako na lang sana. Alam niyo ba tong kantang to? Meron akong gustong gawin. Kilala tong kantang to na ginawa kong birit, pataas ng pataas. But this time, I wanna hear your beautiful voices. Sing it with me. So hindi ko siya ibibirit, just for everybody's sake. Because I want everyone to jam with me. Okay, are you ready? Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa, iaalay buong buhay. Lumikaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko, iwang saksi. Come on! Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? Anong man ang sabihin nila, pagtingin ko sa'yo'y di kailanman magmamali. Buong buhay pinilikuran kita, di naghahangad anumang kapalit. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko, iwang saksi. Papahuli pa kayo? Bakit nga ba? Di mo ma Bakit nga ba may baliw na baliw
Gising pa naman ang lahat, no? Okay pa? Okay pa tayo? May tanong ako, sino bang umiinom? May
Yan!
umiinom ba dyan?
Madami!
Taas ang kamay ng lasinggero ngayong gabi!
May nagbibiro? Dito ba may umiinom?
Madami!
Tingin nga ako. Uy, ang bango naman. Ang bango. Hello po, ang bango naman. Ano yan, lechon? Hello, nagwa-wine kayo dyan? Ang sosyal.
Patagay daw,
Ba't
patagay.
kayo lang?
Ba't kayo lang? Joke.
Sana makarating dito yan.
Nako, yung mga nasa kaliwa, nagsiselos.
Bakit? Galing na ako dyan eh.
Galing ka ba doon?
Oh,
Yung
nakita
mga
ko nga,
nasa
may
taas.
nagbibiri.
Walang taas yun? Ay, wala ba?
Kape iniinom.
Naka-wireless ka ba?
Medyo.
Punta ka dito.
Kalahati lang, kalahati.
Nilapit ko lang sila para masaya tayo. Layo niyo sa akin. John, lapit ka dito. Yan.
Banda doon sa gitna.
Masarap to, slaman!
Wireless ka din, di ba? Ah, invisible wire.
Alip. Sabay-sabay!
Ano? Nagsimula sa patikim-tikim, pilit kong gustuhin. Ito'y nagsimulang lumalim, kaya ngayon ang hirap tanggalin. Huwag na uminom ng serbet, at soft drinks ka na lang muna. Pero ngayon ako'y magdadana, Nora, pahingi ng patoma. Ayan na nga, tumatas na ang amat ko, kasi laklang maghapon magdamag. Kaharap ko sa jeep ang isang alay, nagro-rosaryo, mata niya'y nakapikit. Pumara sa may kumbento, sa babaan lang po, sabi ng tsuper. Kasi may nang huhuli, mula pa rin ang murang ulit! Santong kabayo, natatawa ko! Panalaso, santong kabayo, natatawa ko! Sa'yo,
mukha mo para lumang nung tayo ay bata pa. Ang galing-galing mo sumayaw, boogie man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng ngipin mo. Nakakahinda, nakakaaliw, nakakatindig, balahibo. Sana noon pa man ay sinabi na sa iyo. Sa panaginip na lang pala kita may sasaya. Everyone! Sabay! Na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig na tunay. La 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 la, la la, la la, la la, la la, let's go. Are you? Let's go, boy. Rock and roll. So many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others grieve while others curse, and others mourn behind a big black hearse. Some are pure, some have breath. Some are sober, some are wasted, and some are rich because they're faded. Some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out while others blend. Some are fat and stout while some are thin. Some are friends and some are foes. Some have some while some have both. Not everyone, come on.
Sabayan niyo kami!
Every color is represented by me and you. Take a slide in a slope and take a look in the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it twirl in this kaleidoscope. In this kaleidoscope world. Kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope. Let's go, John and Ayus, come on. Eba! Thank you! Thank you so much, Uncle Roberto! Thank you so much! Thank you! Thank you so much!
Maraming salamat po. God bless everyone.
Thank you!
Ay, wait. Pwede po ba tayo mag-picture? Picture daw. Ipopost lang po namin sa page namin. Okay na po ba yun? Meron po kaming official photographer.
Ayan, South Cotabato! Palakpakan natin, Gigi Vibes! G, thank you so much for
Boys,
visiting
tara!
South Cotabato. Ayan. Anyway, this time, once again, palakpakan natin, Gigi Vibes. Magpapapicture muna sila. And of course, may bibigay ho kami sa inyong token of appreciation for visiting our province after your picture taking. Sige. May we now
Yus!
request our the Tinalak Festival Director, Sir Rudy S. Jimenea, together with the chairperson of Tinalak Food Garden and Fireworks, Ma'am Freda Liza Gaso, to please be on stage. And let's award this token of appreciation to our guest for this evening. Ayan. Let's go! Eto na! Once again, South Cotabato, palakpakan natin, Gigi Vibes! Eto na. Ayan. May we present to you this token of appreciation, Miss Gigi. And picture kayo with Ma'am Lisa, Ma'am Freda Lisa, and si Sir Rudy Jimenea. And of course, we have here our provincial treasurer. Ayan, picture muna. Asan yung photographer natin? Dito ho sa gitna, please. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much for visiting South Cotabato, Gigi Vibes. Salamat. Napasaya nyo lahat ng mga South Cotabateños. Ayan. Thank you so much po. And may God bless you and more events to come sa inyo po. Congratulations. Once again, Gigi Vibes! Salamat ho sa pagbisita sa South Cotabato. Grabe! Hindi magkamayaw. Nasandad pa yung noon ko. Patindugon na lang. Hindi magkamayaw ang ating mga kababayan sa ating celebrity ngayong gabi. Unang gabi pa lamang to. We still have more nights to go and more celebrities to come. And huwag kayong umalis dahil hanggang magdamagan ay mag-e-enjoy